If magic, mastering indirect requests and offers. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode on English conversational skills. Today, we are going to delve deep into the realm of indirect requests and offers using if statements. This is a fantastic tool for making your English sound more polite and natural. The keyword for today is if. If is a tiny word, but it packs a punch in English conversation. We use if in indirect requests and offers to make our speech sound more polite and less demanding. For instance, compare these two statements. 1. Open the window. 2. If you could open the window, that would be great. In the second example, we use if to make the request sound softer and more respectful. It's not a direct order anymore, but a polite request. Now, let's learn how to craft if statements in indirect requests. The structure typically follows this pattern. If you could, would plus verb, that would be great, wonderful, helpful, etc. Let's practice with a few examples. If you could pass the salt, that would be wonderful. If you would mind watering the plants, that would be helpful. Remember, these indirect requests are more about politeness than possibility. It's not a question about whether someone can do something but more of a tactful way to ask them to do it. Similar to indirect requests, we can also use if in indirect offers. It's an excellent way to offer assistance without sounding pushy or presumptuous. The general pattern is, if you like, want, I could, would plus verb. For example, if you like, I could show you around the city. If you want, I would be happy to help with your homework. In these instances, the if statement gives the other person an option rather than forcing your offer onto them. Now, it's time for some practice. Let's reinforce your learning with some written exercises. I'll give you a scenario, and your task is to create an indirect request or offer using if. Here are a few scenarios for you. 1. You want to ask your friend to lend you a book. 2. You're offering to make dinner for your roommate. 3. You want to ask your boss for a day off. 4. You're offering to help a classmate with a difficult assignment. And that wraps up our session on using if in indirect requests and offers. Remember, if is a powerful word that can make your English sound more polite and conversational. So keep practicing, and you'll master these if statements in no time. As always, I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!